Hey, and welcome back everybody. In this tutorial we are going to cover the topic of extruding, which allows us to add additional geometry to our mesh. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin by creating a new blend file by going to File and then New and General. Next we'll get into edit mode, and then we're going to click on the face select icon. To illustrate extruding, we're going to select the top face. Now to add additional geometry, we could type the letter E and then move our mouse up to extrude our face. To further illustrate this, let's click the right face and then extrude. And then we can do the top face and extrude as well. And what's great is that we can use the same method to extrude vertex, edges, and faces, which we just demonstrated. And now we are going to switch to edge select mode and extrude an edge. So we just click on an edge there, and then we are going to type the letter E to extrude, and that gives us an edge that we can work with. And the great thing is we can confine the extrude to an axis. So let's go ahead here and we're going to confine it to the Y axis. So type Y and then move your mouse to the right, and there we have it. We can also extrude it by the Z axis by selecting the edge and then typing E and then Z and moving your mouse up. Now let's switch to vertex select mode, and we're going to select a vertex and extrude by typing E and Z and moving the mouse upward. You can also type the letter E and move your mouse upward to freely extrude.